going to talk about how to do modeling without agency. There are a lot of models who don't get agency even after trying again and again. So today we are going to discuss how to work as a model without agency, which is freelance modeling. So let's get started. Starting with, what is freelance modeling? So freelance modeling is something where you are managing your own self. There is no agent or agency you are connected with. In freelance modeling, basically you have to manage everything. Your portfolio, your communication with the client, and a lot of other things. You connect yourself directly to the client. There is no agent in between. So basically it is more work for a freelance model than the agency model, because they have to manage everything on their own apart from modeling as well. You have to manage your portfolio as well. Basically, portfolio is something that you will have to create by yourself. You will need a stylist, you'll need a photographer, makeup artist, and then you only have to decide what kind of looks you want to add in your portfolio. That you can get through test shoots. And test shoots are it's the same. Getting your portfolio or getting test shoots done, both of the things are same. So you have to keep doing your test shoots again and again in different looks and variations. So when you are with agency, everything is taken care of. You don't have to worry about anything. But जब आप freelance modeling कर रहे हो, तब आपको हर चीज़ का ध्यान देना है. आपके looks का, आपकी profile का, आप किन clients के साथ में connect कर रहे हो, कैसे connect कर रहे हो, where you are shooting and how you are shooting. You need to take care of entire process of being a model. So that's the biggest difference. So the biggest profit of freelance modeling is that you do not have to give any commission cut to the agency or the agent. Whole 100% of the payment is in your pocket. Like with the agency, you have to give 30% to the agency, but here it is all yours. Second is, you can manage your shoot schedule according to your daily life. Like, you have to decide on yourself when you want to shoot or when you do not want to shoot. So it's very simple managing your own shoots and lifestyle. Next is, you will have a very transparency relationship with the brand or the client, because with agency, the agent is the middle person who communicates with the brand and the client. But here you will be the person who represent yourself in front of the client, so you'll have a better connection and relationship with them. It will help you to get more shoots with the same clients again and again. Next is budget negotiation. With agency, वो आपको बोलेंगे यही बजट है और इसी में आपको शूट करना है. बट एज अ फ्रीलांस मॉडल यू कैन negotiate your budget with the client and see what are their expectations and what are you expecting out of that shoot. So it is a plus point for freelance model. So when the shoot requirements come, agency send 10 profiles along with your profile. So there are higher chances client may get confused, or they go with another model. But when you are doing freelancing, you have your own profile and you are sharing it directly with them, and you can know all the updates directly through them, like what they are thinking and where they are planning to shoot. There is no competition there. You are directly just talking about your own profile. Of course, you guys must have known till now that agency has certain requirements to become a model with them. But as a freelance model, it doesn't matter. You can just connect with the client and see what they are looking for and then take it forward. Let's see how to become freelance model. The first and most important thing is that nowadays Instagram has become such a big platform for a model or actors, whatever, who has a work related through social media has to be on Instagram with a public profile, because after all, the more reach you get, the more work you are going to get in the modeling industry. You will have to build your Instagram in a very nice and professional way. Just think that you are building your own portfolio on Instagram. If you want to do freelance modeling, this is the most important thing you need to understand, that you need to have reach and engagement with people in real world and as well as on social media, because a lot of clients and photographers do search profiles on Instagram. The more you are getting engagement, the more you're getting reach, people are going to notice your profile and they'll get connected to you directly on Instagram only. If you must have seen a lot of casting directors and a lot of agents talk about how important social media is, because when they are searching for new faces or new models, good looking models, they go through the social media all over and then they come across so many faces. So just understand how important social media is in today's world. One way is that you can connect to clients directly on Instagram. You can connect to photographers directly. You can ask the photographer that, I am an aspiring model and I'm looking forward to do certain test shoots and let's create something new. Let's do some inspirational test shoots and everything, So photographer also have a lot of clients who need models for their coming shoots and all that. So it'll be very helpful if you create your Instagram account in a very professional way. One more way to connect with people is that when you think that your portfolio is ready, just go through photographer's profile, find their mail and just mail them that I'm an aspiring model and I'm looking forward to work ahead as a model, and just write your profile to them and send some pictures to them and wait for their response, what they are saying. Just make sure that you are messaging the photographer who is working in the industry and who is shooting with a certain kind of clients which you want to work with. So that will be much easier. Then you will know, okay, this person can get me certain kind of shoots. Not only photographers, but you can get connected to a lot of casting directors and directly to the brand as well. Plus, whoever wants to do fashion shows and everything, please make sure that you follow their page or just go through their website on Google, so you know when they are casting and in which place or city they are casting, so you can directly go in the casting and then see how it goes for you. Talk about payments. Biggest thing, as I said, is that you are going to get your 100% payment in your pocket. You don't have to give any 30% commission to anyone. The biggest flex of being freelance model. Same thing, that you are going to receive your payment in 30 days, but you'll have to send your invoice to the client, and then after that it takes 30 days to receive in your bank account. Definitely you can negotiate in your budget. In start for freelance modeling it is a bit less. I don't know why, but it is. Later on, it is going to improve. Basically, depends how you communicate and how well you can negotiate with the client. So you have to work on that skills and decide the best budget for your job. Please make sure that you calculate your working hour, your number of changes, and type of work you are doing to get the perfect budget for yourself, because when you are working with an agency does that job for you. But as a freelance model, you have to think about all these stuff before finalizing a budget. And if the working hour or number of changes increases, then you have to double your payment right then. I suppose you must have convinced with the pros of being a freelance modeling. So let's get into cons of freelance modeling. Biggest thing is risk factor. So in starting, it is going to be a bit risky because you yet don't know who are the actual clients and who are the actual brand you are working with. So it'll be a bit risky, but then you will have to make sure that you take care of yourself. You go through all the security checks before getting into something. So please be aware where you are working, where you are going, what is the location and who are the people you are going to work. Please make sure that you know everything and then only you are getting into something. There are higher chances that people might take advantage of you because you are working first of all on your own, and secondly that if you are starting it up, people will know that you are very new to the industry and they'll try to take your advantage. So that is one thing where you are going to be a bit into negative side. Next thing is it is not guaranteed. By this I mean that you can't ever have a guarantee that the shoot location will be nice. You can't have a guarantee that the hotel you are getting will be nice, or the travel will be managed for you, or the payment will be on time. So all those things are a bit off with freelance modeling. But if you work with the right people, then you are going to be happy. So I have a very good example for you all. There are higher chances. Imagine you are shooting very well. You completed your shoot, you reached at the airport, you have to travel to your own city. And by some point of time you missed your flight. If you are with agency is going to make sure that you get the flight done by the client only. ठीक है, क्योंकि ऐसे नहीं होता कि अगर मॉडल ने मिस कर दी उसकी खुद की वजह से तो क्लाइंट फिर से बुक नहीं करेगा. क्लाइंट फिर से बुक करते हैं फ्लाइट्स. बट अगर आप फ्रीलांस मॉडल हो तो हायर चांसेस है कि वो आदमी जिसके साथ आप काम कर रहे हो वो फोन ही ना उठाए आपका और आप एयरपोर्ट पे अटक जाओ, तो तब उस वक्त आपको खुद की फ्लाइट बुक करके रिटर्न आना पड़ेगा. ऐसा हो सकता है. And there are higher chances in freelance modeling that you will have to take care of your stay and travel and food as well. With agency, these things are managed by the client only, but freelance modeling may they take the advantage of not giving you those facilities which are supposed to be given, but ऐसा होता है, so there are chances.
Be aware of it.
Be aware of it. Also, there are chances that people misbehave with you because as you are a new person starting in this industry and there is no one behind you or in front of you to take care of you, so there are chances I have seen happening that in front of me. So there are chances that happens, but it's completely depends on how professional you are being as a model while shooting. So there are a lot of things that can go wrong. And one more very important thing, there is a very big support of the agency with you, but as a freelance modeling you do not have any support and you are responsible for anything if ever happened with you, whatever happens with you. So please take the choices correct and be aware where you are going and how you are working and with whom you are working. And if you really want to know more about the modeling, freelance or with the agency, do get my subscription. It's live now. And thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful for you all. And if anything else, comment.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I am soon coming up with another video, so stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.